Hello there, I'm Andy from Andy's Shed, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fit one of these, a British telephone line cord, to an American 500 series telephone like this. Okay, so what we have to do to get started with fitting a line cord to this telephone is basically just take the top off. And we do that by grabbing a screwdriver. A flat bladed screwdriver is what you want, like this one here. And we turn the telephone over, and you will find in the base two screws, one here and one here. And we need to take these out. Now these are generally retained, they're normally retained. So they probably won't come all the way out, and yet it is retained, that one. It's loose now, but it's retained. And that one's the same. So I'm now making sure I hold under the base there, flip it back upright, and the top then just lifts straight off, like that. So there we go, and now we find the parts inside the phone. We've got obviously the bell set here, and the coils to operate it here, and here's a little hammer that makes it ring, and this big block here is what in America they call the network, and this has basically got all the internal workings of a telephone inside it. If I bring it a little bit closer, you can see that there's a wiring diagram on the side. All these little blocks on the side here correspond to these terminals up here. So this long terminal here, L2 at the bottom, is that long terminal there with two attachments to it. Terminal is it G or is it C? It's G, I think. There, that long one corresponds to this long one with two attachments on it. L1 there is that one there that's just got one screw in it. K is the one that's inboard a bit, which is this one here, and A is the one right in the corner, which is that one there, and so on and so on. So you can work out from that little diagram on the side there what all these things are on here. Now we're interested in L1, G and L2 today, so make sure you know where they are. Now the thing to remember when we're fitting these line cords is that on the other end there should be 4 connections. Now this is the line cord you would normally fit to a British 706 or 746 type telephone, amongst others. So it's got this little grommet thing on the end of it, this little rubber grommet thing. We don't need that. We could have a cord that was just straight and didn't have that on in this case, because all that's going to happen is that's going to end up inside the phone. But what we do need are these 4 connections: red, white, green and blue. Now we're not going to be using the green one, so you can take that one off out the way, cut it off, whatever, get rid of that one out the way. We're just going to be using red and white, which are your 2 wires that go to your line, and blue, which is the bell wire. So they're the only 3 that we're going to be using. The green one, tape it out the way, cut it off, or do something to get it out the way. Okay, so we just need those 3. So on your phone we need to find L1, L2 and G, which are marked on the side of the network here. L1, G, L2. So L2 corresponds to this in the corner here. G is that way a little bit and next one up, which is that double terminal there, and L1 is the next one up, which is there. That is L1. What we do now is we take our 3 wires that we're going to use, and red connects to L1, which is there. So we loosen that, add red in there, and lock it down. White connects to L2, which is this one in the corner here. So we can loosen that, fit that in there, and screw it down nice and tight. And blue connects to G, which is here. And as I said, we're not going to use the green one, so the green wire I'll just tape up with a little bit of insulating tape so the terminal is insulated, so it doesn't touch on anything inside the phone, like so. And what I normally do then is tape it back on itself like that to get it out of the way. And that's it. It's as simple as that. That is how you wire a American 500 series telephone. So all we need to do now is grab the top here and put that back on, making sure that this wire goes through the little mouse hole in the back of the case here. That just clips down like that. Then carefully turn it over, holding it all together again, and do up the 2 screws. And that is how you fit a British line cord that you can plug into an ordinary UK socket, because it's got this plug on the end, to an American 500 series telephone. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos, and also hit that little bell icon on YouTube to get notifications of when we post our next video. And also take a look at our website at andyshed.corepress.net. Thanks for watching. See you next time.